Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to hard reset or factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Fold. This particular device is with T-Mobile, and this tutorial should work on any similar devices from any other service providers. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. First thing, you want to make sure you want to power off the device. If you press the power key and it does not show the power off option, press the volume down and the power key at the same time. Then go ahead and press the power off button and make sure that device is completely turned off before you do the next step. What you want to do next, you want to press the power and the volume up key at the same time. As soon as the device powers on, release the power and keep holding the volume up key until you get to the recovery screen. It will pull up a menu, then I will show you what to do next. Here's the menu. You want to use the volume down key to navigate and scroll downward to wipe data factory reset. Press the power key to confirm. Pick the second option and press the power key again. Once it's done wiping, go ahead and scroll down to where it says wipe cache partition. Press the power key down to the yes option and press the power key again. Once that is done, you can go ahead and restart your device. Everything is completely wiped off the device and is going to put it back to the factory settings. If you had your Google account logged on the device, make sure to re-log into it because it will ask you for it. This is it guys, this is the end of our video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more. And thank you guys for watching.